We'll guide you through how to create a digital painting with Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop. Once it's open, you'll want to create a new document, so go to File in the top menu and click on New. Here, you'll see a variety of templates you can choose from, but for a digital painting, you might want to go with the custom document. Set your canvas size and resolution according to your needs. A common size is 1920 by 1080 pixels, with a resolution of 300 dpi for a good balance of detail and performance. Once your canvas is set, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the tools on the left toolbar. One of the most important tools is the brush tool, which you'll use for most of your painting. You can select it from the toolbar or press B on your keyboard as a shortcut. With the brush tool selected, you can go to the Brush Presets panel, usually located on the right, to choose your brush. Krita offers a wide range of brushes, from basic round brushes to more complex textured ones, so explore and find one that suits your style. To adjust brush settings like size and opacity, use the sliders at the top of the screen. As you start painting, you can use layers to manage different parts of your artwork. Go to the Layers docker, usually on the right, and click the New Layer button. This allows you to work on separate elements without affecting the rest of your painting. You can also change the blending mode of layers for different effects. To undo any mistakes, use Ctrl+Z' or Command+Z' on a Mac. Don't forget to save your work frequently by going to File and selecting Save As. Choose a file format like .kara to preserve layers, or .png for a flattened image. Saving regularly ensures you don't lose your progress. And there you have it, a simple guide to get you started with digital painting in Krita. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.